Welcome to our guide on the best hair curling irons. Achieving salon quality curls at home has never been easier, thanks to innovative tools designed for all hair types and styling preferences. But with so many options, finding the perfect curling iron can be overwhelming. That's why we're reviewing the top 5 curling irons that deliver exceptional results, usability, and durability. Stick around to discover the tool that suits your needs, and don't forget to watch till the end for expert tips on choosing the best curling iron for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Hot Tools. The Hot Tools Professional 24K Gold Curling Iron is a trusted choice for hairstylists and home users alike, thanks to its consistent performance and iconic gold barrel design. Engineered to create smooth, frizz-free curls, this curling iron is ideal for all hair types and styles. Key features: the 24K gold-plated barrel ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots that can damage hair. Its variable heat settings range up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to customize the temperature to suit your hair's texture and thickness. The iron also features a soft touch handle for comfortable use and a swivel cord for tangle-free styling. Benefits and usage: the gold technology reduces frizz and adds shine while creating long-lasting curls. It's perfect for everything from loose waves to tight curls. To use, section your hair and wrap each piece around the barrel, holding it in place for a few seconds before releasing. Usability: this curling iron is user-friendly, with a temperature dial and indicator light for easy operation. The ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip, and the swivel cord allows for smooth styling without tangling. It's suitable for beginners and professionals alike. Durability: built with high-quality materials, the Hot Tools 24K Gold Curling Iron is designed to last. Its sturdy construction and long-lasting heating elements make it a reliable tool for years of use, whether at home or in a salon. In the second spot, we have T3. The T3 Single Pass Curling Iron is a premium styling tool designed for efficient, one-pass curling. It combines innovative technology with a sleek design, making it a favorite for those who value precision and style. Key features: featuring T3's Single Pass technology, this curling iron maintains consistent heat throughout the barrel for uniform results. The ceramic surface ensures smooth gliding, reducing frizz and static. It also comes with 5 adjustable heat settings and an auto shutoff feature for safety. Benefits and usage: the single pass technology creates shiny, long-lasting curls in just one pass, saving time and minimizing heat exposure. To use, set the desired temperature, section your hair, and wrap each section around the barrel. Its cool tip provides extra control for precise styling. Usability: the lightweight design and ergonomic handle make this curling iron easy to use, even for extended periods. The intuitive controls and digital display ensure accurate temperature adjustments, while the 360-degree swivel cord allows for hassle-free styling. Durability: crafted with high-quality materials, the T3 Single Pass Curling Iron is built to withstand regular use. Its ceramic surface resists wear, and the durable cord and handle add to its longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any hair enthusiast. Coming in at number 3 is the Revlon. The Revlon Perfect Heat Curling Iron is an affordable yet effective tool for achieving beautiful curls at home. Its advanced heat technology ensures consistent performance, making it a great option for everyday styling. Key features: this curling iron features triple ceramic coating for even heat distribution and reduced damage. The 30-second heat-up time and multiple temperature settings, up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, cater to a variety of hair types. Its cool tip and heat-resistant stand add safety and convenience during use. Benefits and usage: the triple ceramic technology helps reduce frizz and adds shine to your curls, giving them a polished finish. It's perfect for creating both loose waves and defined curls. Simply wrap sections of your hair around the barrel, hold for a few seconds, and release for stunning results. Usability: the user-friendly design includes a comfortable handle and a tangle-free swivel cord. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great option for beginners and occasional users. Durability. While budget-friendly, the Revlon Perfect Heat Curling Iron is built to last with its sturdy materials and reliable heating elements. Its compact size also makes it travel-friendly, ensuring you can maintain great hair wherever you go. Taking our fourth spot is GHD. The GHD Curve Classic Curl Iron is a high-end tool designed for creating professional-grade curls with ease. Its advanced technology and luxurious design make it a must-have for anyone seeking effortless styling and long-lasting results. Key features. The GHD Curve features ultrazone predictive technology that adapts to your hair type to maintain an optimal styling temperature of 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Its 1-inch barrel is ideal for creating a variety of curls, from classic waves to tighter spirals. The cool tip and stand enhance safety during use. Benefits and usage. The consistent heat of this curling iron ensures flawless curls with minimal damage, while the ceramic coating adds shine and reduces frizz. To use, take a small section of hair, wrap it around the barrel, and hold for a few seconds before releasing. Usability. Designed for ease of use, the GHD Curve has a lightweight body and ergonomic handle. Its 9-foot swivel cord allows for flexibility, and the automatic sleep mode ensures safety if left unattended. Durability. GHD is known for its durable products, and the Curve Classic Curl Iron is no exception. Its high-quality materials and advanced technology ensure long-lasting performance, making it a valuable addition to any styling arsenal. At number 5, we have Paul Mitchell. The Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion Curl is a salon-quality curling iron designed to deliver fast, efficient styling. With its advanced ion technology, it's perfect for creating sleek, frizz-free curls that last all day. Key features. This curling iron features an express ion complex for even heat distribution and reduced frizz. The digital temperature control allows for precise adjustments up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, while the 1.25-inch barrel is ideal for creating versatile styles. The cool tip and dual voltage compatibility add to its convenience. Benefits and usage. The ion technology smooths the hair cuticle, leaving curls shiny and soft. It's perfect for achieving a variety of styles, from loose waves to defined curls. To use, adjust the temperature to suit your hair type, wrap sections around the barrel, and hold briefly before releasing. Usability. The lightweight and ergonomic design make this curling iron easy to handle, while the swivel cord ensures tangle-free operation. It's suitable for all hair types and works well for both quick touch-ups and elaborate styling. Durability. The high-quality materials and sturdy construction ensure the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion Curl stands the test of time. Its dual voltage feature also makes it a reliable companion for travel, providing consistent performance wherever you go. That wraps up our guide to the top 5 best hair curling irons for flawless curls. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a tool here to suit your needs and budget. From the affordable reliability of Revlon to the premium performance of GHD and Paul Mitchell, these curling irons are designed to make styling effortless and enjoyable. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.